the first official National Happy Beanie Day.
Wow! Ilan trabaho yun, Rex?
Okay.
Day off po! Day off po! Sa holiday!
Siyempre, kailangan yung pasayahin ng ang mga blooms at But that will be really this year will be our first official National Happy Beanie Day. Okay? So, magpapasaya po tayo sa mga blooms at sa mga tao because on that day, on the Happy Beanie Day, meron po tayong we will have a whole day celebration at Juan Ayala on June 11 starting 10 a.m.
Wow! 10 to 10 po?
10
10 to 12.
Okay,